Choosing the platform and training products to sell online requires some initial research. Okay. Platforms, eBay. Okay, so Bart AI generates information from Wikipedia over here. We see the logo. It gives you some pinpoints and main difference between Etsy and eBay, right? You will compete with established sellers and lower priced items. Focus on unique or hand to find products in complete competitive pricing. Okay, so eBay, according to Bart, it gives us like very good due diligence, saying that if you choose eBay, you're going to compete with very strong competition, people who are selling at cheap, right? So we all know where is the competition. Usually it's harder to make money. The market is usually saturated. Let's see what Bart AI is saying about Etsy. According to Bart AI, ideal for handcrafted and vintage items. Stand out with high quality photos, detailed description, and strong brand identity. Trending products. So okay, that's good. That's like we just got like a research for dropshipping, right? Essentially, just with one prompt. How amazing Bart is, right?